Man taken into custody as police probe death of pregnant woman found in Chaparlin in St. Mary. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man has been taken into custody as investigators probe the death of a pregnant woman whose body was found wrapped in a tarpaulin in Devon Pen St. Mary on Sunday. An operation yesterday afternoon conducted at a home located in Sligo Road off Mountain View, St. Andrew. Links 007 TV News understands that the bus driver who was taken to the location in handcuffs is said to be the spouse of the deceased woman, whose identity has not yet been disclosed by the police. Forensic investigators, the police, and the Jamaica Defence Force soldiers carried out checks at the property the two shared. Residents said that they last saw the woman known to them as Jay alive on Saturday. They told reporters that they recognized the body from Monday and were surprised to see the security forces snoop down on the community yesterday afternoon. The St. Mary police were summoned to Devon Pen on Sunday after residents saw a tarpaulin over a precipice. The woman, who is believed to be in her late 20s, was dressed in a white t-shirt, blue underwear and black socks, and a tattoo on the chest, thigh and right shoulder with the distinctive mark JVSC and Labib and a cross on her chest. She is believed to be about 6 months pregnant. The police are continuing their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.